In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the fail to download error in Google Chrome. If Chrome won't download a file or your downloads keep failing, there are several simple troubleshooting steps you can try to get everything working again. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. First, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select New Incognito window. In the incognito window, open the same download link and try downloading the file again. If the download works, the issue is likely related to your browser's extensions, cookies, or cached data. If the download still fails, return to your normal Chrome window and click the three-dot menu, then select Settings. In the Settings page, click Privacy and Security, then open third-party cookies. If your browser is blocking third-party cookies, try temporarily allowing them, especially if you're downloading from a trusted website that requires them to authenticate your download. After changing the setting, refresh the web page and try downloading the file again. Next, go back to Privacy and Security and select Delete Browsing Data. Clear cached images and files, and if necessary, cookies and other site data. Once the data has been cleared, restart Chrome and test the download again. If the issue continues, open About Chrome from the Settings menu to make sure you're using the latest version of the browser. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Restart the browser after any update is complete. You should also temporarily disable any download managers, antivirus web protection, VPNs, or browser extensions that could be interfering with downloads. After disabling them, try downloading the file once more. Finally, make sure your internet connection is stable and verify that you have enough free storage space on your computer for the file you're trying to download. That's how to fix the failed to download error in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.